I'm Samy Sadek. I work with the Air Ambulance.
Dr. Karen Shute, and I'm the Programme Director of Design, Innovation and Creative Engineering. Well, this is one of the projects from our final year student, Hal, when he met Samy and looked at this pretty scary technique called Reboa, and Hal saw that actually redesigning the bag could actually help the medic focus on the problem.
Whenever this is needed, the patients are essentially the sickest patients we'll have ever treated, and it's a really stressful procedure. It's also quite fiddly. The beauty of working with Zoe is they find the problems that we haven't even clocked, and then they find the solutions to the problems. They really do think very much outside the box, and they put suggestions to me that I just never would have thought of or thought possible.
For a student, it's quite challenging because they're not medics. It raises a really useful question about why do you do that? Why is that? And it gets them straight away into the why. So an environment where you know nothing is actually really quite fruitful.
First thing Hal got was he watched us doing it, simulating it, and he said, hang on, isn't this the thing that you said is the most stressful procedure? I said, yeah. I said, why on earth are you doing it like that? So he designed a bag which opens and it reads like a book. So you just open the bag, and on page 1 is the first step, and it's even got a little reminder tab with the things that our team most commonly used to struggle to remember or forget or get wrong. And then turn over to page 2, and what we say, right, step 2 is get into the answer. It worked really well. It carried, not only did it carry the kit, but actually it made the procedure quicker, safer, easier, more successful. And actually, we did a survey with the teams afterwards, and they said that we're just much less scared of doing it. We're much more happy with doing the procedure. I would never have thought that redesigning the backpack would have done that.